Greetings, fellow carbon-based life forms. I am Harold the Hair Bear, Jack of all. Today I'm going to attempt to do a quick unboxing of the E-flite P-39 Airacobra 1.2 meter. I'm going to attempt to do this quickly because we have not had a chance to fly in the month of December. My father and I are going for our 12-month patches with the AMA. And we have a chance to fly, but I need to meet him up at the field in about an hour. And I have not had a chance to open this bad boy, put it together, bind it to my transmitter. I'm going to attempt to do so in the next hour or so and meet my father up at the field so we can get our December flight in. This is the BNF version, bind and fly version. I'll be binding it to my Spektrum DX8 transmitter. It does have Safe Select as well as AS3X. And I probably will not take it out of Safe Select for the first flight or two. And yes, that was my light getting knocked over. Give me a moment, I'll pick that light back up so you can see. It does come fairly easy to assemble, or at least the instructions say it is so. As you can see, it does come with retracts. This will be my first warbird and my first plane with retracts. Very exciting. Bear with me, I pulled some of this tape off so we can get a better look. Carbon spar, I presume that is for the vertical stabilizer, or horizontal stabilizer rather. Very impressive size on this scale tri-blade prop. This is the wing, which comes as one assembly. It has the quick connect, so you don't have to mess with tiny connectors and everything every time you go to put it together and take it apart. I believe this may actually fit with that wingspan in my vehicle, but if not, I can take the wings off. I believe it's 4 screws that will hold those in. So worst case scenario, if I do need to remove the wing to transport it, it should be fairly easy to do so. Oh, this thing is beautiful. Yeah, and this is literally my first look at it other than photographs. The scale details are fantastic. It comes with a nice paint scheme. Here we are. The walleye, also named Pat, with the very awesome scale details, including our pilot, cockpit, instruments. This lifts off. It is held in by magnets. As you can see, all the electronics are already installed. The receiver, ESC. It does use a battery tray, which slides out. You'll install your battery, slide it back in and connect it. Pop the canopy back on. It will sit there. It probably won't, so rather than dropping it, we'll sit it in front. There's a retractable drop tank, or a removable drop tank, which you can either put on or take off. It does not drop as a bomb or anything, it's just meant to be a drop tank. A very attractive blue spinner, make it stand out a bit. Again, that will go in front of our tri-blade prop. You can see all the little pieces of styrofoam sticking everywhere, but attach to the front. There's a detailed instruction manual, of course. I have downloaded it and at least have an idea how to put it together. And then let's see, on this side we have our horizontal stabilizers and elevators. And that does appear to be everything that came in the box. So we will install the horizontal stabilizers with the carbon spar I mentioned earlier. Install the wings to the bottom. Just going to sit it on there so you can get an idea. And then again, I mentioned the props. Very excited to fly my first Warbird. Again, very nice details. The retractable landing gear. I'll be using a 3S 2200 milliamp hour battery, at least for the maiden flights. It can take up to a 4S. I'm told it, or reading in reviews and looking online, it does appear that it flies very scale with the 3S, but for more acrobatic maneuvers, you'll want to use a 4S battery, and I'll be adding that later on. But I have several of the 3S batteries ready to go, already charged up. So wish me luck with my maiden. I'll try to get some footage of that, and we'll see you next time. Again, I'm Harold the Hair Bear, Jack of all. Thank you very much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below if you like the content. Hopefully I'll be able to produce a lot more in the coming year. We're right after Christmas here. It's December 26th, in fact, and we're looking forward to a healthy, happy, and prosperous new year for my family and you and your family, for a wonderful 2020. Again, Harold the Hair Bear signing off. As always, and until next time, peace!